Here's a night at one of the apartments in Cairo. Royal Towers is a wonderful place to be living. I have Jake with me.
Hi there.
Oh, it's really dark, but okay. We're gonna go in.
You can't smell this, obviously, but it smells like burning rubber.
Burning rubber. The sound of demons coming from the vents.
Who lives in there? It's Russell and Kristen. Okay, I tried waking Kristen up.
Yeah. Kristen's not in here. Russell is sleeping in there.
Okay. I thought that was Russell. There's no way I'm sleeping in here.
Let me prove to you the air conditioner is in the off position. Off. It is not from us.
Probably, we think it's from the apartment above us.
Hopefully.
We're going to use this as proof to whoever owns Royal Towers, maybe.
Do what?
We're going to use this as proof to for whoever owns it.
I don't know.
I can't see it.
100 minutes right now.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is our chapel.
Hopefully it doesn't burn down.
And of course the sounds coming from the vents just help us with when we sing during Mass and everything.
They better have it fixed by tomorrow or I'll come here today. Okay, I'm going down to chirho and maybe I can see it there.
Alright. What can we do? I'm surprised that Russell is still sleeping in there. Is he gonna stop? Nope. Nope. Not stopping. Good luck going to sleep tonight, guys. It stopped. It stopped. Good thing we were here. We would have missed it, but it stopped. This is how it usually sounds. All quiet. Well, good night.